Okay, this is number 8 with Plata Place. We already cambered it. This is the tap coming in from the addition bathroom on your left side. The roots are cleaned out of here. And we ran the snake, large 6-inch blades through. And we worked that spot 45 feet out. It's going to show about 51 feet now. As you can see, the pipe is clean. There's no breaks in this pipe. The clay looks like it's in excellent shape. And the scratches are from the gigantic blades that we ran through. Okay, this is we're getting right out close to the street right now. And here we are at the city tap. Tap is excellent. Okay. Pulling it back, I'll pull it back to that one spot. Okay, I think we're right at, here's the roots. We cut the roots out here, and here they are. And the line is clear. So we were able to get the roots out, the massive root intrusion. And there's just a little bit of roots coming in on the right side, and that's it. Other than that, this sewer line is in good shape. And here's another spot that roots were getting in, right here. And the next, here's another little patch of roots, which we cleaned out really good too, okay? So we also have the sewer line. It looks like the sewer line for the next door neighbor ties into this line. No proof, but at 46.5 feet, looks like the neighbor might tie in, and we did clean the roots out. Okay, then pull her back. Okay, we're going to stop this recording. The line is good.